The first product I'm introducing here is the Sibby, where we have designed this in a way to try and cater towards moms who have more than one child. So traditionally, everyone's been developing tandem strollers where they're pretty big and heavy, so we've decided to go small with this, where you've taken a regular stroller and added a Sibby board back here. So the stroller is full size, up to 50 pounds, 5-point harness, 1-button release, strap covers with a bumper bar, adjustable leg rest. We have smooth rolling wheels. You'll notice our front wheels are more narrow than our wide wheels. That helps with mobility. We have a raised seat so that you have easier access to the basket. Our other features are the longer handles for taller people. We have an expandable cup holder for larger drinks. And our Sibby board is the main feature of this product right now, where the second child is able to stand as the smaller child is on the front. So this right here, you'll notice we've opened up the handlebar so that there's more room here for the child to stand. This board can be attached up when it's not in use, or it can be removed. And it could be put to either side or carried into the basket. When you're done with the stroller, you want to fold it and put it into your car. It's a one-hand in-seat fold. It locks right there and it stands as well. So this is Sibby.